You're back in the shop with me today, guys, and this week on the channel we're going to go over this enclosure. Now you saw how I built it in one of my other videos, and I'm going to ask for a cut list. So stick around. I'm Stoner Erickson from Erickson Design Company, and let's build something. Ta-da! I went ahead and hopped into SketchUp here and I just laid it out for you guys. I have the front enclosure, the nesting box on the left, and the back enclosure on the right. And you can see with the door here, it actually pivots and hinged off the back with a piano hinge. Now the front door actually sits on the side of the cabinet, and I just placed that on after I slide the nesting box forward. Now it's important to remember that the front nesting box on the top has a lip on the front edge for the door to actually slide underneath. Basically this was like making a bunch of picture frames, so if you watch the video of the enclosure build and the cut list, you should easily be able to make this. And don't forget to subscribe if you like fun and creative projects like this. I have had a few people on Instagram build the table and share it with me, so if you build this enclosure, please check me out on Instagram and share this with me. Now here's the cut list. Feel free to slow it down and write it down. Enjoy. There's a link to a PDF of this cut list, also a link to the build video for this project in the description below.